In this video, I'm going to show you how to legally steal other people's viral Pinterest pins to make $5,000 a month in ClickBank affiliate commissions. We're going to use this underground tool to find viral pins that are currently trending, and I'm also going to show you how to recreate them even better using Nano Banana. I'm also going to show you the quickest way to do keyword research and reveal exactly which keywords to target so your Pinterest pins rank fast and start getting traffic almost instantly. And here's the best part, I'll even show you how to create up to 200 SEO optimized blog posts in just 2 minutes, complete with images, videos, and keyword-rich content that work hand in hand with your pins to multiply your traffic and commissions. So like this video, and if you want to learn how beginners are making $1,000 a day with ClickBank, comment 1K and I'll send you a free blueprint. The exact blueprint that has helped me to generate over $89,000 in revenue. So if you want to learn, comment 1K and I'll send it to you. So the first step is to head over to the ClickBank marketplace from here. Go to Top Offers, and this is going to show you all the trending products on ClickBank. I'm going to go with this offer called Sleep Lean. This is a weight loss product, and it has 136 gravity score. And every time someone buys this product from your affiliate link, you are going to make $173. So let's go to the affiliate page. Scroll down, and this is where you are going to create your affiliate link. So I'm going to enter my affiliate ID and hit generate, and this will give you your affiliate link. So let's quickly copy this and open it in a new tab, just to see how the sales page looks like. So as you can see, it's a video sales letter, and the headline says, "Nighttime hack, melts fat while you sleep." So this headline looks curiosity-driven as it should be. All right, next step is to head over to trends.pinterest.com and make sure United States is selected in the region. This is where the magic happens. This is a free tool from Pinterest that shows trending topics, keywords, and ideas you can use to make you viral and get more traffic. So here you can see there are lots of topics, and on the left there are some filters, so we're gonna use it. Go to interest and you're gonna find where it says health and select it. Then, this is going to show you all the related keywords that are currently trending in the health and weight loss category. Now, what I'm gonna do is add a keyword called keto. Why? Because keto is a diet that most people follow for weight loss. And as you can see, it has pulled all these keywords related to keto diet. For example, this keyword called easy keto recipes is grown by 20%, which is great. So I'm gonna click on it, and this is going to show you all the data about this keyword for the past 1 year. As you can see, it will show you related keywords too. Now we are going deep in a rabbit hole. You can see the gender and ages. You can see the related popular pins about this keyword, etc. So from here, I'm gonna go with this keyword called keto dinner for family. I've searched this keyword on Pinterest, and as you can see, there are a bunch of pins with tons of engagement. For example, you can see that this pin has 6,844 likes. And the crazy part is, it was uploaded just 8 days ago. Can you imagine how much traffic this pin has generated from 6,844 likes? Now I'm using a tool called Sort Pin, which is a Google Chrome extension for Pinterest. It basically lets you uncover hidden data on any pin, like the total saves, likes, comments, and even when it was uploaded, so you can instantly spot which pins are going viral and why. So click the second link in the description below, and you'll be redirected to this extension. From here, click Add. It's free. Then make sure that the extension is pinned on your browser, and this will show you all the data about those pins. So I'm gonna open this pins, and as you can see, it says 30 keto dinners made in 30 minutes or less. Now here's what I'm gonna do. Copy this headline and description, then head over to ChatGPT and paste it here. And write, "This is a headline and description of a Pinterest pin. I want you to get inspires from it, and give me a similar." And this is going to start creating it. As you can see, it has created this, but I don't like lazy word in it. So I'm gonna ask it to give another one which doesn't include lazy, and this is going to give this description. As you can, it says 30 quick keto dinners you can make in 39 minutes or less, which is great. So I'm gonna copy this and head over to Pinterest. Next, download this pin and head over to Gemini. From here, I'm gonna select Nano Banana, which is a popular tool, as you may know. Next, paste your script, and I'm gonna upload that image and ask it recreate it and make it better. That's it, then hit enter, and it's going to start generating the image. As you can see, it has created this pin, but I think it looks exactly the same. So I'm gonna ask it to recreate it and make it different, but should look familiar, not copied. And as you can see, it did generate a different one, but you can see someone's domain name. So I asked it to remove the domain. And there go, it has removed the domain, and you have this pin, which looks different but similar. Now, I want you to download this pin and head over to Pinterest. Make sure to create similar Pinterest account, just like the one I've created. You can see the logo, the account name which matches with our keyword, and niche which is most important. Next, click on this drop-down and hit Create Pin. Then, upload the pin that we created. Next, this where you are going to paste the headline, so go back to ChatGPT and copy this headline and paste it here. Copy the description as well and paste it right here. Next, this is where you are going to paste the link of your website. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to create up to 200 SEO optimized blog article, complete with images, videos, and all those things in just 2 minutes, which I'll show you in just a second. But first, let me select the board, which is important to rank your pins higher. So make sure to create your board. If you don't have, I'm gonna select one of my board related to keto. Next, this is a tagged topic options, which is going to help you rank faster and get more traffic. So I'm gonna type related to keto, and that's it. Now let's talk about how to create up to 200 pins in 2 minutes. So click the second link in the description below and you'll be redirected to this page. SEO Writing AI is one of the best tools that creates SEO optimized article in minutes. Make sure to create your account. And this is what you are going to see. Here you see 2 options. The first one is one quick blog post and the second one is bulk article generation. So let's go to bulk article generation. And this is where you are going to see. This is your keyword section, where you are going to enter a keyword and it's going to automatically generate the title and blog. So since our pin is about 30 keto dinner recipe, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and ask it to give me 30 different keyword ideas related to keto dinner. And this will give you high searched keywords in minutes about the topic, which is clever. So I'm gonna copy some of the keywords and paste it here. Now you can add 30 or even 200 keywords, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going with 4. Next, hit generate. And this is going to generate all the titles. Next, hit generate NLP, which is going to generate keywords that will be inside your blog, so that way you get higher chances of getting more traffic. Next, scroll down and in the language, leave it as English US. In the article, leave none and leave everything default. Make sure United States is selected in the country region. Next, scroll down and come here to Media Hub. Go to AI images and select yes. Go to number of images, I'm gonna select 4. Go to images style, I'm gonna go with photo. YouTube video, select yes. If you want them in your blog, I'm fine with no. Next, come to structure section and leave everything as default. Next, scroll down, and this is where you can add your WordPress website if you have. I'm gonna leave it as none, because I'll show you a way to create a website free of cost. Next, go to connect to web and select yes, and leave everything default. Next, scroll down, and this is where you are going to add your website. Like I said, if you don't have WordPress, that's fine. I'll show you a free way. Finally, scroll all the way to up and hit run. And this will start generating the blogs, which will take about 2 to 3 minutes. And as you can see, the blogs are ready. Let's preview it and see how it looks like. And boom, you can see the image looks sick. The headline is perfect. Let's scroll down. You can see the key takeaways, the table. I mean, is your mind blown? Because mine was the first time I saw it. Now the main question is, how do you make money? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. Head over to Blogger, create your account, and this is what you are going to see. Go to New Post, and this is where you are going to write a title. So I'm gonna copy the title and paste it right over here. Now what you're gonna do is copy the entry's content and paste it right over here. As you can, the entire content has shifted here, including the images. Now copy everything and change the font to Arial. Next, select this image and change the size to extra large. Then change the alignment to middle. Now you're gonna do this to all images. Once, this is what you're going to do next. You're gonna write a call to action. To get the idea, let's go to ClickBank. This is our product. I'm gonna get my affiliate link, scroll down, and enter your affiliate ID, and hit continue. Then copy this link and open it. And as you can see, the headline says, "Nighttime hack melts fat while you sleep." This headline is curiosity driven, so copy it and paste it here. Then I'm gonna copy my affiliate link again, highlight this part, click on this little icon, and paste your affiliate link here. Now copy this call to action and paste it multiple times to get attention. And finally, hit publish, and your blog is ready. Now let's view it, and as you can, the blog looks insanely good. Exactly what we needed. Let's copy the URL and head over to Pinterest. paste the link over here, and hit publish. And that's it. You've just created a money-making blog post with your own content, affiliate links, and a traffic source all set up. Now, here's the next step. Start posting these pins consistently on Pinterest. Use eye-catching images, curiosity-driven headlines, and link every pin back to your blog. Now, if you want to discover exactly how everyday people from all over the world are making anywhere from $1,000 per day, all the way up to $21,000 per day, by leveraging AI and insanely cheap foreign traffic, then go click the first link in the description, or head over to insider10x.com and download your free copy of the special report that breaks it all down. And once you download the report, you'll automatically be redirected to a page where you can register for a free ClickBank workshop. This is where the magic happens. Everything you need to know to start making real money online is revealed in that session. But here's the deal, this strategy is catching on fast. Before everyone and their grandma starts flooding the traffic sources and competition spikes, go grab your spot now. Click the first link in the description or visit insider10x.com to take advantage of this golden opportunity before it's gone. And make sure you watch the workshop all the way till the end, because once you learn this system, you'll never look at affiliate marketing the same way again.